Hi, Pat here. I got a Sansui stereo model G4700. This thing's rated at 50 watts per channel and it was made around 1979-1980. It does work. I got an album spinning now. And I do have a tape in. Volume knob's a little dirty. And I do get FM on it. Stereo light comes on, ports locks comes on. Well, I'm going to hook up the test equipment, see how it looks on that. I got my test equipment hooked up. Got my dummy loads back there. A couple voltmeters set to AC, reading the voltage across them. I ain't pushing it hard yet, but as I play with the volume, you just see how dirty that pot is. I got it set up now so I can turn up full volume. And as I go up slowly, you see it jumping all over the place, all that noise in there. But that is full volume. And I got 20 volts on one and 21 volts on the other one. Going to 20 volts. Watt's law says voltage squared divided by resistance 8. They give you the wattage, so I'm getting 50 watts out of that channel. Probably a little more out of the 21 volt. I got a square wave going through it right now, and it doesn't look too bad. Top one's not quite square, bottom one's very good. Let me play the treble a little bit, and you just see all the noise in the treble. That needs to be cleaned. Same with the bass. So cleaning the pods will help those out a lot. And even the loudness jumpy. Even that switch needs to be cleaned. I took the cover off. And this display section, it just had plugs and it came loose quite easily. You can see how dusty it is in there. And what I found kind of odd, just one light bulb is all I see. So I didn't think it lit up the display that well. And in the back here you can see the output transistors. I replaced all the small caps in here in the preamp app section. And also up here in the phono section, the equalizer. And right there they had 1 microfarad bipolar caps in there. And I just replaced them with film caps. I got it hooked up to the scope again. And turn the volume up so you don't see that noise anymore. So clean the pods helped a whole lot. But that's up all the way and not clipping. And I still got the same 20 volts and 21 volts. I put a square wave back through and it's looking quite nice. Let me play with the bass, you know. It's the bass all the way up and the bass all the way down. It's the treble all the way up and the treble all the way down. And there's the loudness on, loudness off. So that's doing everything I expected. I got it all back together. And I had to replace one light bulb, the only light bulb in it. And you turn it on, and the light really doesn't go that clearly all the way across. But I got it on FM now. I'm getting a stereo light. And that's all working. I got a tape playing. Brothers left you crying and you're all alone. And I got a record spinning. It's nice to hear her sigh. And everything's all working good and sounding good. Thanks for watching the video.